Here we go. This is the exit. Yeah. Don't tell anybody I showed you this. Okay, yeah. So this is going up to the jumps. This is still actually open. And it has multi-directions. Staying along the fence, but I was curious if this is still open. It is. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Yep, came out right exactly where I wanted to go out. So this is the fire station on Golden Valley Road. It's Boone, or Bonnie. Yeah, there's a Boone in Golden Valley, so don't get confused. It's a way big street that does not curve like this. I got a nice Shakakski. I guess that's why I call it ski, because I know the last part of the thing is ski. I'm not going to film a whole lot of this. But... Hooray! Single track is still here. This is Nolian Trail. I named everything after suspension forks. This is the ultimate green of all greenifications, and man, is it ever. Woo! Oh! I'll see if I can remember to. Was that a feature? No, that was not a feature. So I did the first action cam I've ever done in my life in about 2010 on this trail, where I held the camera. Let's see if I can find the video of that. I think at one point in time you can see my tire. I did it for another movie project. Actually, it might have been 2012, because that's the year I was doing my Western. Okay, so this is where it ends, the Nolian, and this is now Foxwoods Trail. A little more difficult. Let's see if it's a little more twisty. Oh, yeah, they're building stuff here. So that means everything's gonna be here. Look at this. Somebody did this out of their own efforts. There's stuff like that back here before, but it wasn't as nice as that. Oh, well, I was gonna say that's gonna be a narrow passage. It was. And the jumps are right up here. Will they still be there? So these jumps will be on my video. I don't know when I think I'm just gonna call them secret ski jumps. And up here, right to my right, is the jumps. Are they still there? Are they still there? Obviously, I'm going to look at them before I run them. Oh yeah, they're still here. So this place is beyond immortal. Look at this. Fun stuff hidden in the woods. Wow. Okay, so the tabletops look really good. This one looks really good. Here we go. Should I fly them? There's 5 of them in a row. This is a fiddlestick. Oh, not too bad though. Woo! This is a fun area. Did I mention it's a fun area? Okay, here we go. First run. Oh, this berm is like completely washed out. Not quite on the first one, but these shouldn't be too bad. Okay, not quite. Not quite. I'm going to start from the street. Oh, that was good. I'm gonna start from the street. But Manitou is right here. And this will lead me back to the Golden Labyrinth. Hello. Gosh, sticks are just attacking me. There is a passage in here. Oh, like I say, there was a log thing and then a real narrow passage. Not so much anymore. I've done this area before, but the fact that it's still here after 25 years. A lot of these trails have actually been built. The jumps have been here for 25 years. Yeah, that's what I thought. Really tight. A little overgrown, a little tight. This up here is really, this was a difficult part. I got it. Now there's one tree up here that I know I'm not gonna make it through. Wow, it's like a jungle. This is welcome to the jungle. Yeah, this, I made it through on my old bike. I'm not gonna be doing that because I know it's way too narrow. That's old school. So you can say this trail's old school. They used to have a death-defying log ride back here, which, holy crap. It's a little bit unnerving. This is the Golden Labyrinth. I think I'm gonna skip it this time. It is a purebred black diamond. You go left right here. I'm willing to bet that if I go through it, I'll clean it. I'm kind of a little bit leery. Oh. And then there's a lot of other trails back here, but this is another one of my favorites, Rock Shocks Trail. There is a sign right there that is, oh my gosh, a little overgrown. Well, somebody's doing stuff back here, but they're probably, like me, the stuff I'm trying to work on. Well, when will I ever get to it? This is pretty sweet. There's a, okay, so my picture on my Enduro was taken back here. Like right about here. This is the sketchy area right here. And this trail goes all the way up to, I think 40th in Robbinsdale. It goes a long ways. I will not be taking all of it. I did some jumps. Now I'm doing some technical stuff. Oh yeah. So if you ever want to know where this is, and I'm going to Theater Earth, I will show you for sure. It's a fun area, and yes, you can do it on a hardtail. I believe in you. Enthusiastic kids at the jump line. That was my 2018 video back here. They were watching me do the jumps and cheering me on. This is what I'm going to cut out. But the trail continues. Oh yeah, now I got it. Perfect. Oh yeah, I got it that time. I'm gonna do another one. I'll do one more.